Hi everyone. So I intend to take my video lecture series forward and help all the MCOM and MBA students, the postgraduate students, in learning various subjects that I normally teach. And as all of you know, due to COVID, it's been very difficult for all of us to physically meet and conduct classes. And now I think the hybrid version of teaching has almost come to stay, where the faculty do visit the colleges for teaching, and the same is transmitted online as well, is what I heard. But due to my own constraints, I wouldn't be able to attend any of the colleges where hitherto I was teaching physically, and hence I thought I should, for the benefit of students, come up with a series of lectures on all the subjects that I teach, like SAPM, NMBF, the corporate tax planning, the GST, and my pet subject, that's corporate restructuring, meaning mergers and acquisitions. So on all these topics hereafter, from Abhinav Commerce Academy, we would be coming up with a series of lectures not exceeding 10 to 15 minutes on each subject, so that it's quite handy for you to understand. And irrespective of the pressure of time that you might feel in your various different works that you may be, you still have to, or say you still can make it for 15 minutes to listen to these lectures and improve your knowledge. And I can assure you that on hearing all these lectures, you wouldn't need any further study in terms of your preparations for the examination. You need to grasp everything that's taught in these lectures quite carefully, and I'm sure this will go a long way in helping you. So what I would be doing is, on all the four subjects, that's security analysis and portfolio management, and multinational business finance, GST, the corporate tax planning, and the merger and acquisition, that's corporate restructuring, what I told you just now. On all these five subjects, on the basis of two lectures of 15 minutes each on each subject, not exceeding two subjects in a day for 15 minutes. It means you would have to spend half an hour in understanding two topics of two different subjects. So this is the way the lectures will continue on a day-to-day basis. And I'm also planning to come up with a, a series of lectures exclusively on the subject of GST for the benefit of my rural students who, despite their best capabilities, may not have been able to be brought up in a urban schooling environment where language might act as a big constraint for them. So what I'm thinking is, I just also want to come up with a series of GST lectures purely in Kannada language. That also will parallelly start from the next week. So those are the students who are here listening to the lectures can as well spread this news to almost all of your friends who happen to be coming from a rural background, who find it very difficult to understand the language of English.